Okay, so this video is just to show you this new tool I got, which it's a sort of a rivet maker, but I've got a hole right here that I would like to use to screw something into it. So we've got these little rivets, and this is a metric size 6 as far as the threads on that. So I drilled this hole to fit that in there. You put that little thing in there. Then you get this tool, and it's got a 6 metric size on it. You insert these into this contraption. So that it then looks like that. Then you put the screw the little rivet on there. You put it down into your hole like this. You then squeeze it. Then that crimps the inside of it. You screw the screw back off of it. Hard to do one-handed. That one doesn't look very tight. I'm gonna try to get it tighter. Okay, I got it tighter, and now I'm just gonna unscrew this. And now I've got something to screw into, and I can attach something to that, which this is gonna hold the hood bar, but I gotta make a little attachment for it anyway. Now I got something to attach to. Anyway, pretty cool tool, huh? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Later.